Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
To get started, simply open the Kahoot's options menu and choose Share. In the Share with Other Kahoot!ers box, type the username of a person and choose their name from the list that appears underneath.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
It's our commitment to always keep Kahoot! Free for teachers and students. We are on a mission to unlock the deepest potential of every learner, regardless of age, background, or context. We do this by making learning fun, magical, and engaging.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
You can quickly edit your Kahoot's visibility from My Kahoots on the Kahoots page, or by using the Settings button while editing your Kahoot. If you're a student, you may be limited to making Kahoots visible to only you.
Take our lead.
Create your own slides as you would in PowerPoint, Google Slides, or other software, then import them into a Kahoot. Or, simply combine an existing presentation and a Kahoot game. Learn more about incorporating Kahoot into your presentations.
Take our lead.
With our Google Classroom integration, educators can share Kahoot! Homework challenges with their students in one click. The Kahoot! App can be installed on Chromebooks so that students can join classroom games, complete homework challenges, create their own Kahoots, and master content with the Smart Practice feature.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Get creative, fast. With the Kahoot! App, students don't have to be in one particular place to create, nor do they need to set aside long periods of time. Creativity can spark anywhere and students can learn anytime.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.